In 1990, if you wanted to keep someone out of your building, you used a lock and key. By the 2000s, it meant plastic cards and on-premise servers hidden in closets. And today, security might not even live in your building at all. The global market for cloud-based access control is projected to reach $21.7 billion by 2030, growing at nearly 16% every year. That's a massive shift, and companies like Acre Security are at the center of it. So why are schools, hospitals, and banks trusting something as critical as physical security to the cloud? From keys to the cloud, traditional access control was clunky. Servers on site, maintenance teams on call, every new office requiring its own setup. If something broke, doors could stop working entirely. Cloud-based systems flip that model. Everything is centralized, updates are automatic, and admins can grant or revoke access instantly from anywhere. It's the same transformation that happened with email. No one runs their own mail servers anymore, and soon almost no one will ever run their own access control servers either. The security paradox. At first, cloud security sounds riskier, but in reality, on-prem systems are often more vulnerable. Breaches usually come from outdated software, missed patches, and neglected hardware. Cloud systems, by contrast, are updated continuously, encrypted end-to-end, and backed by redundant data centers. Even if one goes down, the doors keep working. And then there's the intelligence factor. Every swipe, every failed entry, every alert is logged in real time. Integrated with video and HR systems, this turns raw data into live intelligence. A contractor using a badge after hours or an employee swiping in 2 cities at once gets flagged instantly. That's where cloud makes access control not just safer, but smarter. Why it's exploding now. 2 forces are driving adoption. Remote work, created by a more fluid workforce, where companies need to issue or revoke access instantly without waiting on an IT staff, and integration made access control part of a larger ecosystem. HR databases, visitor management tools, even payroll. Terminate an employee in one system and their access disappears everywhere. That level of connectivity explains why adoption is accelerating across schools, hospitals, banks, and even small businesses. Acre Security, for example, has seen hospitals use cloud access to onboard hundreds of rotating contractors seamlessly, while banks are using it to manage security across hundreds of branches at once. The road ahead. Like every shift, there are challenges. Internet outages are one, solved by hybrid models that let doors keep working offline until they sync. Data privacy is another, which is why compliance standards like HIPAA and GDPR are now built directly into leading platforms. The bigger trend is clear. Mobile credentials are replacing cards. Biometrics are becoming normal, and AI is turning logs into predictions. Cloud isn't just a new tool for access control, it's becoming the operating system of physical security. From keys to cards to cloud, every stage of access control has reflected the needs of its time. Today, those needs are flexibility, intelligence, and scale. That's why the invisible guard at the door of tomorrow's schools, hospitals, and banks won't be a server in a closet. It will be the cloud. And companies like Acre Security are the ones making that future possible.